Ever wondered how Power BI keeps your reports updated? Let's break down data refresh in Power BI and its different types. What is data refresh? Data refresh ensures your reports always reflect the latest data by updating datasets from connected sources, either in real time or on a schedule. Types of data refresh in Power BI. 1. Manual refresh. Users manually refresh datasets in Power BI Desktop or Power BI Service. 2. Scheduled refresh. Set automatic refresh intervals, like hourly or daily, for imported data sources. 3. Live connection. Directly connects to databases like SQL Server Analysis Services, updating instantly. 4. DirectQuery refresh. Fetches data in real time without storing it in Power BI. Great for large datasets. 5. Incremental refresh. Refreshes only new or modified data, boosting performance for big datasets. Best practices for data refresh. Use incremental refresh for large datasets to optimize performance. Remove unnecessary columns and rows to reduce data model size. Monitor refresh status in Power BI Service to detect failures. Optimize queries to reduce refresh time. Which data refresh type do you use the most? Let us know in the comments.